student, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It will take only 1 second. I am doing hard work for you to motivate you to give all information. Didn't you get any time, 2 seconds or 1 second to subscribe my channel? The dissociation constant for acetic acid and HCN at 25 degrees C are 1.5 into 10 to power raised to power minus 5 and 4.5 into 10 raised to power minus 10 respectively. Find the equilibrium constant for the given equilibrium. So Cn negative plus CH3COH negative gives HCN plus CH3COO negative, means acetate, and this is hydrocyanic acid. Okay, so the equilibrium constant for this we have to find out. So they have given us dissociation constant. So first of all, we write on acid dissociation constant for HCN, H positive, Cn negative, it will give on equilibrium. So K equilibrium is equal to concentration of H positive, molar concentration of Cn negative divided by molar concentration of HCN. Similarly, we have to take molar concentration of CH3COH negative. CH3COH gives you CH3CO negative plus H positive. So molar concentration of acetate ion, product of molar concentration of acetate ion and molar concentration of hydrogen ion proton divided by molar concentration of acetic acid. So this will be equal to K equilibrium. So we know that this K equilibrium of acetic acid we got, K equilibrium of HCN we got, and we have a new equilibrium constant. So when we subtract, see here I have written right and here I have written left. So this is right side. So if we subtract equation 1, this equation I have written 1 and this is equation 2. So if we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, we will get the desired equation. Okay, so what does it mean? When we are subtracting two equation, at that time the K equilibrium will be the species which on the right side of this will be on the right, and which is on the left side, it should be on the left. It means, what does it mean? Means K equilibrium of HCN and K equilibrium of acetic acid, ratio of it will give you K equilibrium acetic acid on the top and K equilibrium HCN will be on the bottom. Why it is on the bottom? Because CON is here, will be on the left right side. This is on the right side, this is on the right side, so it will be on the top. K equilibrium of acetic acid on top, K equilibrium acid at the bottom. Solve it, it will be 3 into 10 to power 4. Different options are given to you, you have to select A. You do yourself, then you will find out. It is very easy, although I can skip this step. Okay, I can directly